the world's most influential alternative thought leaders are coming together over 3 days to speak live with a message of hope, joy, and an awakening for all. Spread the light, love, and empowerment by sharing this summit with all those you care for and love. Share this summit with those who have not yet awakened, for now is the time that we rise up and evolve together on our next steps for humanity and our planet. I'm Dr. Darrell Wolfe, the Doc of Detox. Join me and many others for this life-changing event. Join me for my event, which will be Sunday, Pacific Standard Time at 10 a.m. It'll be a 2-hour event that will change the rest of your life for your life.